Welcome to the Ballys.
Thank you. Hello guys, this is me Anand. Welcome back again with a new video all the way from Atlantic City, and today we are staying at Bally's. Just parked our car. Time to do the check-in. Let's go first. Let's go to the lobby first and do the check-in. After we check in, we can go explore the room.
Vitamins and history books, psychology and a different way to look at it all. 'Cause my perspective is broken.
I didn't have very good experience with the check-in because they messed up my booking. They said they wanted me to upgrade the room, or they want me to pay extra. So finally we got our room key. First explore the room, and then we'll explore the rest of the things here. Okay. Yes. Our room. This is how the room looks like. We are on the 5th floor. This is the 5th floor, and they have all these things like TV, chair. I think they have the fridge here. Okay. Two sofa, bed. It doesn't work. Big mirror here. Same thing. Tower. It doesn't have a great it doesn't have a great view. It's because we are on the 5th floor. Let's now check the bathroom quick, and this is pretty much normal one. That is the closet. If you are liking this video, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Closet. Iron. What else? I like this chair and sofa. So we are here on the 5th floor. View, we don't have much great view because this is not a tall tower. The bathroom was pretty much okay. It's not super clean. The hallways was dirty. Bed is good, but they have some kind of stinks, small black stink on the bed's frame, and the review is also not good. If you see the Google review of last 1 week, they are not pretty much good. Outside and explore casino floor, lobby, and other places in Bali. swimming pool is open only for adults. See? I just want to make sure.
Sorry.
Good.
I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. On my way. Why are you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how.
We're done packing our stuff. Now it's time to head outside and do the checkout. And thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. We really had a great time here in Bali. Thank you so much again, and feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you again. You have a good day. Bye bye.
널 보면 미소 짓는 내가 너만의 빛이 돼줄게 약속할